Hello, welcome to Eccentric Eats. My name is Liz, and today I'm going to show you how to make some coconut cookies. Really simple, really yummy, and it's also gluten-free. Okay, let's start. These are our ingredients. This is half a cup of butter, 1 cup of desiccated coconut or shredded coconut, half a cup of coconut flour, half a cup of sugar. We've also got 3 eggs, 3 large eggs, and vanilla essence and baking soda. Okay, first step, we're going to chuck all the dry ingredients into one bowl. That's the salt, the baking soda, the desiccated coconut, and the coconut flour. In the other bowl, put butter and sugar together. We're going to cream that together until it's a nice, soft, creamy white. Once we cream that, we're going to add 3 eggs and half a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to add our dry ingredients to the mix. Once everything's combined nicely, use a couple of spoons or use your hands, whatever, shaped into little balls. They're all nicely resting on the tray. We're going to flatten it slightly with the back of a fork, just because we want it to cook a little bit more evenly. So we're going to put these in the oven at about 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Another really important thing, always lick the whisk. Always lick it. Okay, once these are out of the oven, transfer them to a wire rack to cool down, and then nom nom nom. Already. Try them out for yourself. They're so good. You won't regret it. Leave some comments for me. Any suggestions? Any, how did yours turn out? And see you later, alligators.